Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hades on Netflix. First, make sure you have the Netflix app installed on your mobile device or tablet. You'll need an active Netflix subscription to access the game. Once logged in, navigate to the Games section and search for Hades. You can then install the game directly from the app, typically requiring about 15 gigabytes of storage space. Hades is an action roguelike where you play as Zagreus, attempting to escape the underworld. You'll use intuitive on-screen controls for movement, attacking, and dashing. Mastering the dash is crucial for dodging enemy attacks and navigating treacherous areas. As you progress, collect resources like darkness and gemstones to permanently enhance Zagreus's stats and unlock new weapons. A core mechanic involves receiving boons from the Olympian gods, which grant temporary but powerful enhancements. Selecting boons that complement your weapon and playstyle is key to success. Before each escape attempt, you can equip a keepsake, offering a specific starting bonus like increased health or a guaranteed god encounter. There are 25 different keepsakes to discover and master. Dying in Hades is not a failure, it's an opportunity for growth. Each death returns you to the House of Hades, where you can spend accumulated darkness, gemstones, and keys on permanent upgrades. These include new weapons, character relationships, and cosmetic changes. The game features 6 unique weapons, each with 4 distinct aspects, offering diverse combat experiences and deep replayability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.